Hey, what was that for?
You are wasting water and putting the whales in danger.
How?
Because your shower's running.
What shower?
The shower you left on before you came and played rock band.
Oh yeah.
But I have something that can help you not ever do this again.
Tell me more.
Just follow me.
Whoa.
Told you to left your shower on.
I better turn that off.
And to help you, there's this.
Whoa, what is it?
It's the Smart Head.
Smart Head?
Yeah, it tells you when your shower's ready.
Is that all it does?
And it tells you how hot your shower is too.
Yeah, I need one of those.
Yeah, but it doesn't look like it'd go in your bathroom very well.
That's true. I don't want a whale shower head.
Then watch this.
Whoa, it's golden.
Yeah, don't you like it?
This will go great with my golden toilet.
And look what else it does. It talks to you.
What is that?
Your shower is ready.
Yeah.
Isn't that neat?
This is just what I needed.
Yeah, it could be yours for only 3 payments of $99.99.
No. Slash it.
Okay, $29.99.
Now that's what I call a deal.
Yeah.
To order your Smart Head, just call 1-800-555-2472 or visit www.smarthead.com on the web. That's 1-800-555-2472 or at www.smarthead.com.
Smart Head, say the where's the toilet again?
Whoa.
Told you left your shower on.
I better take this. Whoa.
See, told you left your shower on.
I better turn that off.
Yeah, and now, the thing that'll help you